Don't jump too soon. Do you find yourself paying attention to other people? In other words, do you look like this from all the advice that people are giving you to the point that you don't know what the heck to do? I've been there. And I know that you have been there too. It's important not to jump too soon. And there are reasons why this happens. Lack of confidence in your own ability to move forward. The need to receive approval from others. Feeling that your decision is not good enough. If it doesn't work out, you can blame someone else. And I think for most of us, it's number 4. Because what better way to say, well, it was his fault or her fault that I did this. After all, I followed their lead. And the blame game has been happening since the beginning of time, right? Eve blamed the serpent, Adam blamed Eve, and the serpent blamed God, right? So the blame game has been happening for a very long time. It's important to trust yourself. Don't jump too soon and trust yourself. After you hear what everybody has to say, you have to think of yourself and think, does this feel right? All of us are born with an instinct that tells us what to do. Trust yourself. Does this feel right? If it feels right, go for it. If it doesn't feel right, stop. Even though something may look really good, the advice may look really good, but if it doesn't feel good here, don't do it because it'll fail every single time. I know this by experience.
I am Margarita Estrada, changing mindsets one presentation at a time. I hope that you enjoyed the clip that you just listened to. The full class will be made available to you soon. In the meantime, make sure you visit my website, estradaprospeaker.com, or email me at margarita@estradaprospeaker.com. Remember my mantra: build your arsenal, break the barriers, step up and dare to be the challenger, the initiator, and the change agent that you were meant to be. See you soon.